7 ways you can make super high quality content for your product ad creatives. The first way is by using this company called Suna. Essentially, it's a creative studio that you can essentially rent for certain shoots in the US. And what I really love about them is you can actually build out your shoot ahead of time. So you can tell them what models, what props, what background you need for your creatives, and then they'll get it arranged. It is slightly on the higher end in terms of cost, however the quality is certainly there. The second way is Billow. It's a platform that has thousands of UGC content creators on there. So you would create a brief inside of the Billow platform, basically outlining what you want to see in your ad creative, and then different creators would apply to that project, and you can basically pick which one you want to work with. And they all send over like mini video CVs, so you can see which ones are great at making content, and Billow is just one of these apps. There's many more like it out there. The third way is by using Twitter. You can just search UGC content creator and you can find loads of creators that have it in their bio. The fourth way is using the TikTok creator marketplace. You can find loads of high quality creators on TikTok using this platform. You would brief out your project on the platform and then request creators to join, and then you would negotiate with them individually because they all charge different rates. In my personal experience, the creator marketplace isn't too user friendly. However, there's definitely loads of high quality creators on the platform. The fifth way is using micro influencers on Instagram, and this is personally where the majority of my ad creative content comes from. All we do is we find creators that are going viral on the explore page. Anyone that's consistently hitting the explore page with their feed posts probably knows how to make good quality content. And loads of times, because they only have a few thousand followers, they won't even charge for the ad creative. They'll just accept a free product in exchange. Method number 6 is just working with content creation agencies or TikTok organic agencies, and there's loads of them out there with either in-house creators or freelance local creators that they can work with, and they can shoot pretty much any content you want. If you want a couple content agency recommendations, just shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll send you a few that we work with. The seventh and last way to source content for your creatives is by working with creative studios in China. Now, it is very hard to get Western models in China, so usually what we do is we shoot product only shots or just shots with hand models. Now, the only reason we do this is because it's much quicker than waiting 1 week to get your product shipped out to the UK or US and then getting it filmed over there. But it's not necessarily cheap to do because a single product photo could cost $20, $25 plus to do. If you want to see more helpful ecom content just like this, then make sure you are following my page and like this video.